Welcome to this edition of Burden Tech University, presented by Vogelzang. In today's video, we'll show you how to properly replace the auger motor on the VG5790. Always refer to your owner's manual. This video is for informational purposes only. If you are unsure about replacing any of the components on this stove, we recommend having a stove technician or, when necessary, a certified electrician do this for you. The tools needed for today's project include a number 2 Phillips screwdriver and needle nose pliers. To start your project, you must first disconnect the power from your stove. Now, using your number 2 Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws holding the back panel to the stove. Next, remove the back panel by lifting it up and away from the stove. In order to remove the auger motor, you will first need to disconnect the 2 wires from the terminals on the back of the motor. Now, using needle nose pliers, remove the hairpin connecting the auger motor to the auger. The auger motor will then be free to drop from the auger. To install the new auger motor, hold the auger into place and line up the holes on the auger and auger motor. Then, slide the hairpin through the 2 holes to connect. You can now reconnect the 2 wires to the terminals on the back of the motor. Now, replace the back panel. Then, insert and tighten the screws. Now that your project is complete, you may reconnect power to your unit and check for proper operation. Once again, this video is for informational purposes only. We strongly recommend a stove technician or, when necessary, a certified electrician do any repairs for you. If you need further assistance or have any questions, please visit us at vogelzang.com or give us a call at 1-800-222-6950. Thank you for watching this edition of Burden Tech University.